Hello, everyone. Greetings of the season and welcome to the third episode of The Spectrum. School's religious extravaganza on Ashadi Ekadashi, that is Dindi, was celebrated with full zest and fervour. The values of brotherhood, love, and devotion towards God was inculcated via this event. The pious palki containing Lord Vithal's image was carried by boys dressed in kurta and dhoti, while girls were draped in beautiful Nawari saris. The school ground was buzzing with the chants of Jnano Ba Tukaram. This reaffirmed the Varkaris' faith in Sant Jnaneshwar and Sant Tukaram. Children have little knowledge and awareness about their changes, that is physical and psychological, that they experience. Hence, not only do they need proper guidance, but also regular health checkups. Ouch, it hurts, but getting vaccinated is much lesser painful than the horrible sickness of COVID. A stitch in time saves 9. So brave students got themselves not only vaccinated but also got their vaccination certificate, which is the need of the hour. Prevention is the hallmark of modern dentistry. The amazing Dr. Roma Bagi explained pupils the various ways by which one can keep one's teeth and gums healthy. Dr. Shraddha Warwekar, one of the most renowned gynecologist and obstetrician doctor in Nasik, had a session with girls of our section. Healthcare is something that cannot be compromised. So, the fabulous Dr. Raviraj Khairnar gave important advice to our pupils on how to maintain health and hygiene. The famous Lokmat Times had organized a roundtable conference. The panel of young Nasikites from different schools expressed their love and aspirations for future Dream Nasik. Appreciation is the highest form of prayer. Our beloved school principal, Dr. Swamini Wag Madam, complimented pupils for their righteous behavior, sincere efforts, and awesome attendance. The three honourable supervisors, namely Musle Sir, Swarupa Miss and Neeta Miss, inspected the discipline and decorum of the students and of their respective classrooms. The beautiful spectrum continues with plenty more upcoming events. See you in the next episode. Thank you everyone. Until then, adios.